working in back-to-back movies for Yash Raj Films, Vani struck gold with her last film, War, featuring Hrithik Roshan and Tiger Shroff. Now, she steps out of her comfort zone and steps into an out-and-out Akshay Kumar entertainer that's based on true events.
The highlight of the movie is the content, which is drawn from a past event. It's based on true events, back in the days from Indira Gandhi's time. And I feel like it's very interesting to know for Gen Z, I guess, to know how things used to back in the days without any social media or any kind of, like the kind of technology that's advanced today. Back then, you didn't have so many things playing in your favor and how things operated, So it's very intriguing. It's very interesting to know all of that.
शादीशुदा, शार्प मेमोरी, नेशनल लेवल चेस प्लेयर, यूपीएससी दिया है, गाना सिखाता है, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, जर्मन, फ्रेंच बोल और लिख लेता है.
Tell me about working with the man himself, Akshay Kumar. He's not just a superb actor, but is known to be a lot of fun on set, right?
Yeah, for sure. Like, he's extremely approachable. He's very supportive of his people and everybody else on set, So if there's anything that you need or you're in doubt, he will be like a problem solver for you. Be it anything. I think even offset, like if there's any travel thing, any conversation about any other aspect related, he will just be there like a big, huge help. And he's genuinely a very funny person. Like, he's a very, very funny guy. It's just a pleasure to work with him. And my dad's a huge fan. I've been saying it since forever now. Like, my dad loves him. Everybody in our family, I think he masters and aces in every genre.
What changes in your lifestyle did you make during this particular schedule in the pandemic?
It's not as smooth as when you're not in a pandemic, but the producers did give their best in trying to ease out every apprehension, every bit of discomfort one could have possibly faced otherwise. So I feel it was well taken care of, and luckily we all survived and we all came back testing negative, and it was I think a huge achievement, as a team, to all be protected and be in a safe bubble.
कभी-कभी फिल्म दिखा दिया कर, कभी-कभी मैंने भी घुमा लिया कर, तुझसे कभी जरूर उठ जाऊं एक बार, आके मुझे तू मना लिया कर.
तू जिस कल तो रोके मैं कल ना करा दोबारा, तेरे यार बथेरे ने मेरा तू ही है बस यारा, तेरे यार बथेरे ने मेरा तू ही है बस यारा.
The film is based on a real-life incident, Vani. How much of it you know prior to going on shoot, and what have you walked away with after this experience?
Every film, you take something with yourself, even if it's not a conscious learning, it's a silent learning, on many subliminal levels. You pick up things here and there, and having to work with a co-actor like Akshay Kumar, you do learn because of the kind of experience he has in the industry, and the kind of genres that he's explored. I have tremendous respect for his discipline and his punctuality and his just the respect for doing the job on time and getting over on time and respecting and giving those many hours for people to rejuvenate and sleep properly and have, because what happens is usually we're shooting for 13 hours, sometimes 14 hours, 16 hours, 17 hours sometimes, so it gets very hectic. You don't even get a proper night's sleep. At times I've shot for 18 hours. So he's very conscious of those many hours. We are going to give it our best and all, but then you will also have enough time to sit and chill, eat proper dinner, have enough time after dinner, go back to sleep, feel refreshed, and then wake up next morning for the next day's shoot.
तो बताइए, आपका analysis क्या कहता है?
They are the mastermind behind this hijacking.
While we wait for the Pakistani diplomats and intel officers.
ऑपरेशन की तैयारी करें.
मैम, अब बचे हुए फ्यूल से ये लोग मिड ईस्ट के 3 पॉसिबल डेस्टिनेशन तक जा सकते हैं: दुबई, अबू धाबी एंड मस्कट.
Tell me about some prank that Akshay played with you, because I am very sure there must have been something.
We just used to come home wherever to our hotel, and all of us were there. The Deepshika, Jackie, Akshay sir, Twinkle, his kids, his niece, and then me, and then a lot of people were Bashu sir and Pooja ma'am and everybody. We all used to be together, and after dinner we all used to play this game called Mafia. And we used to play some of the other random games, but we used to enjoy doing that. So for 2-3 hours we would just be playing these super fun games, and I've never seen that side of his. You know, very chill, very relaxed, very like easy.
मैं एम्बेसी के काम से बाहर जा रहा हूँ।
कहाँ?
कोची।
नो पॉज, नो हेजिटेशन। मतलब सच बोल रहे हो?
या फिर झूठ बोलने में माहिर हो गया हूँ।
I love you.
हमारी टीम रिफ्यूलिंग क्रू बनकर प्लेन के रिफ्यूलिंग तक पहुँच जाएगी।
और अगर प्लान ए फेल हो गया, इज देयर अ प्लान बी?
यस, आर्मी।
इंडियन आर्मी दुबई में या किसी भी फॉरेन सॉइल में इट कंसीडर्ड एन एक्ट ऑफ वॉर। मिनिस्ट्री को हैंडल करने दीजिए।
सर, चेस में डबल्स नहीं खेला जाता।
You are a YRF heroine. How does it feel to be launched by such a production house? And has it helped shape your career as an artist because now you're taking on films from other production houses as well?
Yes, YRF, you know, they represent me because I'm one of their talents, like Anushka, Ranveer, Bhumi, you know, Ayushman. So I feel very grateful because, you know, what happens is my beginning in the industry, one can be very apprehensive when you're an outsider. I had no knowledge of how people work. I still don't because I haven't worked too much. But what I've realized is that they are one of the most ethical people, very disciplined, very correct, they won't wrong you in any way. And I've understood that and learned that with whatever exposure and experience that I've had, that I can't count my blessings that I started with a production house like Yash Raj Films. So I feel like that kind of a beginning, you getting that safe environment helps you, protects you from all the things that you've heard about the industry otherwise. So I've had a great experience. And having said that, I've also had a great experience working with Puja Entertainment. And I'm hoping even with Chandigarh Kare Aashiki, I think I adore Gattu, Abhishek Kapoor and Pragya. They were lovely. And yeah, I'm just like counting my blessings that I'm getting to work with the right people.
Lastly, Vani, do you see yourself growing as an artist? How do you compare Vani of Shuddh Desi Romance to Vani in Bell Bottom now?
Two different characters that I've played. So two different, you know, you see a different dimension to me as an actor, hopefully. There's still yet a lot more to explore. So I'm just hoping those many options and those many opportunities can come my way. And even for me to explore myself and dig down deep within and see if I've got it in me to do more, do something different. Yeah, I'm just hoping for those opportunities to come my way.